Okay, so here is our example on how are we going to use washer method in solving volumes of solids of revolution. So it states that we need to find the volume of the solid generated by the area bounded by the curves y is equal to x squared and y is equal to x plus 2, revolving about the x-axis. Okay, so before we solve this kind of problem, syempre, ang first step na ginagawa natin, step 1, is to plot the curve. Okay, so let's draw x and y axis. Yan. X and y axis, drawing tayo. Okay. So, gawa tayo ng table of values for y is equal to x squared and y is equal to x plus 2. Unahin natin itong y is equal to x squared by using our calculator, mode 7, alpha x squared. So, let's start it, say, negative 3 and end this at 3 by interval of 1. So, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So, 9, 4, 1. Dito na tayo. 0, 1, 4, 0, 1, 4, and 9. Yan. So, yan yung sa y is equal to x squared. Meanwhile, for y is equal to x plus 2, so press AC, gawin natin tong x plus 2. So, same yung limits, same yung starting point natin, tas yung end, tas yung step. So, negative 3, sorry. Negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So, this is negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 0 and 2, 3, 4. Yung 3 natin is at 5. Okay, so kung papansinin natin, ang meron lang dyan na magkakaparehas is na andito sa part na to. So, okay, kung makikita nyo. And also, yung 2 and 4 natin. Meaning, dyan nag-intersect yung dalawang curve natin. Usog natin. Dyan nag-intersect yung ating dalawang curves. Now, plotting these values, unahin muna natin yung negative 1. Ito na lang ang i-plot natin kasi ito na lang naman ang kailangan natin. So, negative 1 and positive 1 is nandito. 0 and 0. 1 and 1. Ito muna ang unahin natin. 1 and 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 4. Okay? So, ito yung points natin. Connect. Okay. Pag ganyan yung curve natin. Meanwhile, ito naman, negative 1 and 1, 0 and 2, 0, blue, 0 and 2, 1 and 3, and then 2 and 4 nandito. Yan. So, if we will connect this two, these 4 dots, straight line yan. Yan. That's a straight line. So, bali ito yung magiging itsura ng graph ng curve natin. So, ang sabi dyan is we will revolve this about the x-axis. So, pag ni-revolve natin yan, yung itsura niyan is magiging ganito yung itsura niya. Lagay ko dito sa baba. This will look like this one. Ayan. Okay, ito na yung graph ng ating curve. Okay, ito na yon in which itong nandito sa taas, ito na yung ating y is equal to x plus 2 and itong nandito sa baba, yung ating y is equal to x squared. Now, ni-revolve natin siya about the x-axis. Ganito yung itsura ng volume na makikita natin. Kung papansinin nyo, nandito yung curve. Butas yan dito sa part na to. As well as dito. Kumbaga ito wala tong laman. Ito wala yung laman kung nandyan. Okay? So walang laman yan. Kaya naman nung nag-generate tayo ng vertical strip, okay, nung gumawa tayo dito ng vertical strip sa part na to, and we revolve this about sa x-axis, ang na-form is a washer instead of a circular disc. So, washer ang na-form dito. Kumbaga, nung inikot natin, ito is iikot papunta dyan. Tapos, yung nasa baba is naandito. Magiging ganun yung itsura. So, nandito, yung thickness natin is dx since vertical yan. Okay, dx to. Okay, so from here, okay, reason na natin to para hindi makalito. From here, up until sa pinakataas, di ba yan yung y natin na blue? Meanwhile, mula naman sa baba hanggang dito, yan yung y natin para dun sa maliit. Diba? So, kung papansinin nyo, yung blue natin na y, siya na yung malaking radius. Meanwhile, yung maliit na y, or yung y dun sa baba, yung y lower, okay, di ba papansinin nyo dun sa pagko-compute natin ng area, y upper minus y lower. Ngayon naman, yung y upper, i-square natin minus y lower. Kasi di ba, yung general formula natin for volume that is equal to pi, the integral of r squared minus r squared dh from a to b. Now, yung r squared na malaki na yan, yan na yung y na malaki natin, or the y upper. Okay, yan na yung y upper natin sa taas. Minus yung r na maliit, yung y lower. Tapos yung dh, it is now our dx. Kasi dx yung thickness ng ating washer. Now, yung limit, syempre, in terms of x, kukunin natin yung mga x coordinates ng dalawang point of intersection. So, this is negative 1 and 1. Tapos, ito is 2 and 4. So, ang x coordinates niya is r, negative 1 and 2. Kasi yun yung mga x coordinates. Now, substituting itong y sa taas, which is y is equal to x plus 2. Meanwhile, itong nandito sa baba, ito yung y is equal to x squared. So, ito na yung magiging y upper natin. Ito yung magiging y lower. I-substitute natin dito. So, volume is now equal to pi, the integral of what is our y upper, that is x, plus 2 squared minus our y lower, which is x squared. So, x squared, tapos naka-square pa yan. Dx. Okay? So, from negative 1 hanggang 2. So, evaluating this integral, volume now is equal to pi, the integral from -1 to 2. Expanding this x plus 2 squared. So, di ba magiging x squared plus 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4 times x. That is 4x plus 4 minus x squared squared. That is x to the 4th dx. Now, integrating na, volume is now equal to, anong integral ng x squared dx? X cubed over 3 plus, anong integral ng 4x? Diba? 4x squared over 2. By power formula lang to. Plus, the integral of 4 dx, 4x na lang. Minus the integral of x raised to 4, x raised to 5 over 5. So, ang limit from -1 to 2. So, apply limits. Our volume now, upper limit muna, pi times 2 cube over 3 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2 na lang times x natin is 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 2 raised to 5 over 5. So, yan yung upper limit minus, labas muna natin yung pi. Huwag na natin lagyan ng pi. Lower limit naman, -1 cube over 3. So, 3 yan plus 2 times -1 squared plus 4 times -1 minus -1 raised to 5 over 5. So, yan na yung ating lower limit. So, using our calculator, multiply na lang natin ng pi dito sa baba. Pi. Cubic units. Okay. Let's use our calculator. Alpha x cube over 3 plus 2 x squared plus 4x minus x raised to 5 over 5. So, let's calculate this at 2. So, 184. Ito yung upper limit natin. 184 over 15 minus, let's calc this naman at the lower limit na -1, -32 over 15 minus 32 over 15 times pi. Okay. So, our volume now is equal to 184 over 15 minus -32 over 15. Press equal, that is equal to 72 over 5 pi cubic units. Okay, so that's how we use washer method in solving for the integral or the volumes of solids of revolution. Okay, have a good day and thank you. God bless.